Okay, so I made a video about this a little bit ago about the oil burner clean out, because there's a lot of videos on internet about drip DIY, heaters burning waste oil and stuff, but nobody ever talks about the ickiness inside. And so I was showing a buddy the other video, and he made us kind of a sarcastic comment saying, well, yeah, obviously oil changes are a scam, right? So this here is a heater that I got set up in my garage, and it burns used oil that's from oil changes and stuff. So I wanted to pull this out of here in real time to show you what is in your oil. So you see all this crap here? All this black carbon? This is the stuff that's in your oil. This is why you get oil changes, is to get this crap out of the engine. So all this stuff in here, all this crap, all that shit that you see in there, this is all the stuff that's running around inside your engine. So when you go 10, 15, 20,000 miles, or until the oil light comes on, or the magic genie lamp, as some customers say, this is what's in there. This is what's running through your vehicle. All this is what's going on inside your car. So, are oil changes a scam? No.